Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'll take you through the development of flags. In financial modeling, sometimes it's just important, especially if you are coming up with a complex model, which involves a lot of timelines. You may want to come up with flags, and I just want to show you how to format those flags. Okay, you could come up with a flag like, say, for example, a yearly flag. Maybe a quarterly flag. And combined flag. Okay. Just coming up with random numbers, 0 to 1. And apply the number there and this number this side, giving you combined numbers. Okay, so what you want is, if the yearly flag is true, is 1, quarter is 1, then the combined flag should give you 1, and that's the one that is going to determine the numbers there in your model. But all you want to do say control 1, you go to the custom. This is what you could do. So it's saying, which one am I starting with? I'm starting with, for example, if it was what color, it's if it is on, it will be black. What should I say? Yeah, black. Like this, semicolon. If it is negative, I want to see this number. By this number, I want to see it in red. That is if it's negative. Or I say green, because that would be unusual. Oh, I think maybe red is okay. That is if it's a negative. But if it's 0, I want to see it in green. Be off. So meaning, if they are negatives, for example, if someone made a mistake and there's a negative here, -2, for example, it should be in red. Then I'll be able to see that there's an error with this model. It's not supposed to be like this. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.